guys, Ricardo with Phastek.com. Today I'm here to show you a new exhaust system from a small company with a huge passion of their exhaust products. Solar Performance is one of those small companies that can produce an excellent sounding exhaust systems. What I have here is their new 3-inch stainless steel axle back system for the 2016 to 2020 Camaro SS or ZL1. The T409 construction features Solo's stamped X pipe, all the clamps and hardware needed for an easy installation, heavy-duty reinforced hangers to ensure minimal movement of the system, and your choice of 4-inch polished tips or powder-coated high gloss black tips. Not only is this system constructed with high-quality material, but the design plays a factor into why Solo systems produce a deep, rich, and mean exhaust note without a drone. The signature J-pipe design allows the system to become tunable with their adjustable end caps. This allows the sound waves to cancel out, eliminating the drone completely. For this Camaro, we are going to be installing the black tip version of this kit. Installation is going to be easy, and as I'm going to show you on this 2017 Camaro, a simple cut to the factory system, and we can slide all the Solo pipes in place. We are going to start by marking the factory system 3 inches away from the rear frame rail. With this point marked, we will make our cut to the factory system using a Sawzall. Then we can unplug the factory NPP or dual mode valves. There is one on each side of the car. Unbolt the 2 factory nuts on each side of the factory hanger exhaust bracket. This will allow us to slide the factory muffler down and out once loose. Remove the 2 factory rubber hangers holding the muffler and remove the muffler from the car. With the factory system removed, we can go back together with the Solo system. Taking the X-pipe, we can install it to the factory exhaust and rubber hangers using the clamps supplied in the kit. Then transfer over the factory hangers to the Solo pipes and slide them into place while also making the connection to the Solo X pipe. Tighten down the factory hangers once installed and tighten the provided clamps on the Solo system. There may be some adjusting necessary to get the J-pipe tucked in place to give it a clean looking install. Alright guys, with the clamps tightened down and the system in place, we can go ahead and fire this thing up to see what it sounds like. The deep aggressive exhaust note is sure to complement these 4-inch powder coated tips nicely. As always, thank you for watching. If you would like any more information about this product, go ahead and click the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to our future videos.